Hello and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are practicing hard to get or to enhance the knowledge. See, the one word is impossible. Impossible, if you will spell it or if you will write it, before that it's a beginning, it's saying I am. So that means impossible also saying that I am possible. So one thing you have to keep in your mind, nothing is impossible in this world. Whatever the situation is going on, whether it's favorable or unfavorable, but God always give a chance. God always open a new door for the success, for the fruitful result. So never we keep your morale down. Always you have to think positive, and only positive thinker can do the something for the society, for the country, and for themselves also. So today is the morning thought is this be positive, never be negative, and keep yourself away from the negative thinkers or the person those who are spreading negative messages. Thank you. Now come to the academic. As in the running online classes, each and every day except Sunday, we learn a lot. We enhanced a huge knowledge, a good knowledge about this each and every subject. Today is the 30th April, so today is the last day before your summer vacation is starting. Now the target is not over. You need to be keep consistent practice by the previous guideline, by the all the online classes you need to carry on, you need to go through by that. Then you will reach to the actual result or actual benefit you will get it. Now let's start. Today I will teach you uses of past perfect continuous. As I dictated you, what is past perfect continuous tense, format of the sentence, then different forms of the sentences, all the 4 forms. Then I gave you one worksheet also, questions, but not all the students has done this. Now uses of past perfect continuous. First, past perfect continuous is used to express an action had been going on in the for the some time in the past. Like the farmer had been plowing the field since morning. India had been locking down to break the chain of coronavirus since last month. This is the first uses. Let's see. This is the first, to express an action that had been going on in some time of some time of past. So these two are example. Next is talking about one action had been going on, then after another action took place. That means talking about one action had been going on, then another action took place. In this category, the one example that we had been standing in a queue for half an hour before the bus arrived. That means here 2 action is talking about, here 2 clauses also. One is the main clause, second is the subordinate clause. Later on, clause I will explain you in the next, when the online classes or in the direct manual classes when it will carry on. So this is the example. Only these 2 are the uses of past perfect continuous. You need to go through by that. Now this is the homework. Fill the gaps by using the past perfect continuous verb which is given in the bracket. and you need to attempt it and post it today only. Then and there you will get the result. Thank you.